你们在找的国庆节的英语作文，小艾老师为你们准备好了，赶紧收藏，开学交作业吧。National Day, October the 1st, Friday, fine. Today is National Day, an important festival for Chinese people. 一个重要的节日，元音因素开头要用 an。I went out with my classmates to celebrate it. Went 是 go 的过去式 ，go out 出去。主语加上动词的过去式，表示在过去的某一时间内发生的动作，是一般过去式的句型。We went to the nature park. There were many people enjoying themselves there. Enjoy 加上反身代词，我们把它翻译成玩得开心，过得愉快。Then we went boating on the East Lake. Went boating 当时我们去划了船。The sky was clear and the breeze touched our faces softly. When we finished boating, finish 注意这个词后面如果接动词的时候，一定要接动名词的形式。We met some foreign people on the bank. We talked with them in English. In 加语言表示用某种语言。They said that our English was very good. We were happy to hear that. Be happy to do something 表示很开心去做某件事情。We had a happy and exciting day. 跟着小艾老师学英语，每天进步一点点。